What's going on, guys? Thanks for the Blu-ray unboxing. And today we're taking a Target exclusive of Spider-Man Far From Home. Let's get this real quick. Not too sure how I feel about these non-digipacks. Looks like the book is just attached to the back in this regular slipcover. But on the front it says only at Target, includes 48-page mini book and Peter Parker's travel journal. It says it includes all new short film Peter's to-do list. So you get that, and let's unwrap this. And we'll look at the J card first. So on the back right here, there is a little read up about the movie. I guess we'll pause around, you can do that. And then down here you do get your special features and your specifications. And that's the full back right there. Nothing on the other side. Pop that to the back. Get this plastic. And let's take a look at the book first, which it's just held on with a little tiny piece of glue dot. Not much. But it does say Peter Parker's travel journal. This is I love Venice. And then on the back, it's the back. A little flimsy. It's got pictures of his aunt right there, his passport. And this is leaving New York City. He's got some pictures from the movie. Arriving in Venice. And I wonder if there's any behind the scenes stuff. It looks like just pictures straight from the movie itself. I mean, there's some drawings and stuff here as well. At the top. Nick Fury just hijacked my summer vacation. Some drawings of Nick Fury there. Venice. I mean, not a bad book at all. I mean, not many behind the scenes things in here at all. Mostly just pictures from the movie and then some drawings. But kind of wish it was in digipack form so we have somewhere to store this. Yeah, not too much really going on in this at all. There's some. So I'm guessing these are location drawings. So here's some stuff right here. Venice, London, Prague. Oh, okay. Now we're getting some stuff. Spidey suits. There's still suit. And you have character designs here. Only 2 pages of character designs. Creatures and elements. You get Hydra Man, Molten Man, Super Elemental, Mysterio there. Some new design. And that's basically it with the book. Now I really don't like it since I only have 3 pages of like character design and like behind the scenes stuff. But there's that book right there. And then you do have your standard Blu-ray case. This will cover right there. This one has the Target exclusive on it. It says includes 48-page mini book that we just looked at. So here's the front. Spine, title, Sony Pictures logo at the bottom, Blu-ray DVD logo at the top, and then this side, same thing. And then here's the back, same read up. Always the back right there. Slide this out, and looks like this is wrapped too. Get my trusty knife out. That worked. And we'll take a look on the inside too. So here's the front of that. So you are getting a Blu-ray DVD and digital download code. See it on the back. And then here's the spine. And then popping that open inside, you do get your code right here and an ad. And you do have your Blu-ray disc right there. And you do have your DVD. It's not too bad. Still don't know how I feel about having the book detached from, everything else. Because where am I going to put it? Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys like this Target exclusive. Hit that bell notification button right there to stay up to date with videos. More videos out soon. And I'll catch you later. Peace!